Mohendrila and I am an expert in full stack. In this video series, I am going to take you through the basic concepts of full stack development. So let's begin. In this video, we are going to talk about SDLC or Software Development Life Cycle. What is SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle, and it comes into play when we create a software or a product. There are different phases in SDLC. They are requirement analysis, defining, designing, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. SDLC is a process used by the software industry to create high quality software. Let us look at the different phases of SDLC. The first one is requirement analysis. It's a very important phase since the project begins with this phase. The development team tries to gather the client requirements. This activity is either done by an individual or by the team members. The team meets the client to understand what they want from the product. The next phase is the design phase. The initial input for this phase is the requirements received from the client. The design elements are created for each and every requirement. A high-level design of the final product is created in this phase. This high-level design describes the new system as a collection of modules or subsystems. Examples of the design include an object-oriented design, a user interface design, or an ER diagram. The next phase is coding. Design is implemented into a code in this phase. Codes for modules or subsystems are written during this stage. The test cases for the codes are also written during this phase for checking the working of every module. This phase is interlinked with the testing phase. Also, the overall coding is tested for functionality. The next phase is testing. There are different kinds of testing, namely unit testing, integration testing, black box testing, white box testing. In this particular phase, the software is tested for its functionality. It is done by the testing team on a unit level or after integrating the complete product. The next phase is deployment. Deployment is the final phase of software development. After testing all the modules, integrating the modules, the product is then ready for installation. In this phase, the test cases must be verified by the customer and the customer has to give their acceptance. This ensures the correctness and the completeness of the software. The next phase is maintenance. This phase occurs after the product has been deployed. Do you know the different versions of Android that were introduced? We started with a version and today we are on the latest version. Why does this happen? Because there might be some problems or some bugs in the previous version that are rectified in the next version. Similarly, if our product has some bugs or if the product is causing some problem, they are fixed during the maintenance stage. Modifications are done in the software. The maintenance of the software occurs after the product is deployed at the client machine. It is done after the product is fully operational. In this video, we have seen what is SDLC and what are the different phases of SDLC. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.